In this video, I'll show you how to set up, add and change the emergency contacts on your Galaxy Watch. I have the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, but the steps I'll show you will work the same way on all Galaxy Watches, be it Galaxy Watch 6, 7, 8 or the Ultra. That's because you have to do it from the connected smartphone, not through the watch itself. So make sure that your Galaxy Watch is connected with your phone. And now, open the Galaxy Wearable app. Go to Watch Settings, scroll down and open Safety and Emergency. There, you'll see the emergency contacts. Open it, tap on Add Emergency Contacts and now select the contacts that you want to add. You can select as many contacts as you want. I tried selecting 150 plus contacts and it was letting me add all of them, so I guess there's no limit to it. After selecting the contacts, tap on Done. That's it. These contacts will be instantly added on the Galaxy Watch as emergency contacts. You can also verify it on your Galaxy Watch by going to Settings, Safety and Emergency and Emergency Contacts. You can also remove or change emergency contacts through the Galaxy Wearable app using the same step. So now you know how to add and change emergency contacts on your Galaxy Watch. I also did a separate video showing how to turn off emergency contacts on your Galaxy Watch. Feel free to check it out from the I button. So now you know how to add and change emergency contacts on your Galaxy Watch. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button, comment below what you want me to cover next and subscribe to Wearholic for more smartwatch content. I'll see you next time.